The Reflective Mind. This is your host Monica. Today we would be discussing card the Devil, the 15th card of the Major Arcana, and the connotations are bondage, attachment, restrictions, and that's it. I guess. I hope so. That's it. Yes. So diving into the detail of the Devil card, here we go. The other name is Pan or Temptation. Devil, as the sign suggests, element is earth, symbol is eye, meaning is clear vision. Chakra base for the base instinct, meaning enslavement and temptation. I'm really scared of this card, Devil card. I'm not scared of the Death card, but I'm scared of the Devil card like hell. The bearded man beast sits above a door to which two demons, a man and woman, are chained. With an inverted pentacle rising from his third eye, he appears to be an epitome of evil, complete with horns, clawed feet, and bat-like wings. He is a half-man, half-goat, and archetype with the roots in the many ancient gods. He may be the Fan, god of excess, Saturn, son of God gone bad, Babomen, the dark idol of the Knights Templar, were accused of worshipping, or perhaps the horned pagan deity. All are attributed with a great virility and sexual power. The goat god's abode is black like a cave. We are in a dark place here, save for his fiery torch. His right hand raised asserts his control over two small fingers that stand before him. The couple is Adam and Eve, who, banished from the paradise, find themselves enslaved and corrupted. They are becoming demons, shown by the tiny horns growing from their heads. Yet when we look closely, we can see that the chains around their necks are not at all tight. If they wished, they could walk away from the devil altogether. The fruit near the Eve reminds us of the Garden of Eden and the forbidden fruit. Adam's tail has devilish fork, showing that these two have certainly given into the temptation. I'm really scared of this card. I don't know, whenever this shows up in reading, I'm not suggesting you to be afraid of this card, but personally, I'm saying that yes, I am. And if this card shows up in a upright, meaning you may be enslaved to an ideal or a relationship that demands too much. When started positively or even pleasurably has reversed, and now you are seeing a situation for what it is. This is destructive situation, and you may be feeling controlled or under a bad influence. This is a card of greed, temptation, and materialism. Yet to change the situation, you will need to think laterally and use a little cunning. It's never worth confronting the problem, as the negativity is endemic. Hence, the devil card often appears to describe situations that are not worth trying to fix or heal. The message is simply walk away, to escape in the best way you can do, regardless of the temptation of staying. Devil often arrives in a relationship reading to show lust and negative ways of relating in one partner is gaining much more than the other. By extension of this, additional meaning of the devil are addiction, issues with the sex, food, substance abuse, and overall negative thinking patterns. If it shows in a home setting, here the devil may indicate living with the demeaning people or dealing with a difficult landlord. Psychic vampires are generally negative people who may drain your energy. You may feel controlled and invaded just now. Difficult relationship are indicated here, such as a controlling partner, lust over love situation, affairs, and codependent patterns. For separated partners, the devil may show financial dependency or other ongoing money or property issues that keep you tied to the past. Career and money, you are experiencing bad financial contracts, careers that are unsatisfying, demeaning, bosses or toxic work environment, but you stay because you are financially trapped. if it shows in a reversed. When reversed, this card is one of the few cards whose meaning become more hopeful. With the upright devil, it is a time to acknowledge how you may be trapped and to begin to search for the light. When reversed, the devil suggests the decision you need to make will be easier than you think. When the card is upside down, the chains around the couple are more legs than they appear. To the situation is not quite as drastic as you first thought. Now is the time to make your move. In terms of health, a difficult cycle is about to end. Addiction and the bad habits become easier to manage and eventually banish, and you or those close to you can look forward for recovery. Wisdom messages: in one leap you can be free. Wow, that's good news. If it is upright position. No, but in reverse position, both, this is true. In one leap you can be free. This is not as bad as I think. Okay. Again, reception matters. The devil, he is a symbol of an internal or external oppression, showing the shadow side of the human nature. He suggests base instincts at work rather than the higher self. The tails show lower instinct taking shape in our lives. The woman's tails show fruit echoing the forbidden fruit of the Garden of Eden, which he has now eaten. The man's tail is a devil-like and appears to be catching the color of the devil's torch, symbolizing corruption. The chains, representing the control and dependency. The chains illustrate the emotional and material bonds that are habitual but not necessary. The torch is not held up to illuminate the scene or situation. The devil keeps his knowledge and his power to himself. The inverted pentagram. The upright pentagram stands for the humanity and being human. When reversed, it is a sign of futility and dark forces. The symbol can also be seen as a representation of the devil's head, which is a pointed beard at the lower point of the pentagram, and his ears are horn, middle, and the upper point. Ooh. This was all about the devil card. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Have a great day. See you later. Bye bye.